Today I am reviewing the Wfiia 59-inch Smart LED Corner Floor Lamp. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding the perfect corner light has always been a bit of a gamble, especially when you're looking for something that balances modern style with advanced lighting technology. Most corner lamps on the market tend to be either overly basic or frustratingly flimsy, but the Wfiia 59-inch Smart LED Corner Floor Lamp completely changes that narrative. After putting this lamp through its paces in a few different environments, from a dark gaming corner to a relaxed living room setup, it is clear that this is a premium, thoughtfully engineered piece of ambient lighting that outperforms expectations. Right out of the box, one of the most prominent improvements is the physical design and structural integrity. A common complaint with minimalist corner lamps is that they lean, wobble, or feel incredibly cheap once assembled. Wfiia has addressed this directly by upgrading the connection points with a secure plug and screw design. Putting it together feels solid, and once it is locked in, the lamp stands perfectly straight. It features a broader 7-inch base that gives it a low center of gravity, which is crucial if you have pets or a busy household where things might get bumped. Despite being stable and standing at a commanding 59 inches tall, it remains remarkably lightweight, allowing you to easily pick it up and move it whenever you feel like changing the layout of your room. Moving past the build quality, the actual light output is where this lamp truly shines. It utilizes advanced RGBICW technology, which stands for red, green, blue, independent control, and warm white. Unlike traditional RGB lamps that can only display one uniform color at a time across the entire strip, this lamp allows for independent color control across separate segments of the pole. The visual impact of this is stunning. You can create layered, cascading gradients where the bottom transitions from a deep midnight blue into a vibrant purple in the middle, ending with a warm orange at the top. The inclusion of the dedicated warm white chip means it is not just a gimmick for party lights. When you just want a classy, bright, and comfortable ambient glow to read by or wind down for the evening, the warm white looks incredibly natural and rich, avoiding that harsh, sterile neon look that cheaper LEDs often produce. The software and customization options offer incredible depth. With 16 million DIY colors and over 68 dynamic scene modes, you can easily find or create a preset for any vibe. Whether you want a slow, breathing firefly effect for a cozy movie night, a bright festive pattern for the holidays, or a sharp, static color scheme to match your PC desktop, the sheer variety is impressive. The color blending is exceptionally smooth, so you will not see harsh blocky lines between the different segments. Instead, they bleed into each other beautifully, painting your walls with a true wash of light rather than just a bright glare. For entertainment enthusiasts, the immersive music sync mode is a standout feature. The lamp features a highly responsive built-in microphone that picks up environmental audio. When activated, the light pulses, flows, and shifts to the rhythm of whatever is playing. It works brilliantly for gaming setups, reacting dynamically to in-game explosions or soundtrack shifts, and it completely transforms a room during a party or a casual listening session. The responsiveness can be tuned so that it feels like a natural extension of the audio rather than a chaotic, distracting flicker. Controlling the device is incredibly seamless because you are not locked into just one method. It comes with convenient triple control options. For quick adjustments when walking into a room, you can use the physical buttons directly on the unit. For lounging on the couch, the included remote control provides quick access to major modes and brightness levels. But to truly unlock the potential of the lamp, the smartphone application gives you total control over the segment editing, custom schedules, and granular brightness adjustments. The app interface is intuitive, connects reliably, and includes an automation timer that lets you schedule the light to wake you up with a gentle sunrise effect or automatically turn off when it is time for bed. Overall, this floor lamp feels like a polished, complete product. It successfully bridges the gap between functional home decor and high-tech smart lighting. It is sturdy, the color customization is practically limitless, the segments blend flawlessly, and the control options make it effortless to use daily. If you want to elevate the mood of your living space, bedroom, or gaming room, this lamp is an exceptional choice that delivers on every promise.